Did you know that city birds are becoming more aggressive because of invisible gases in the air? Scientists discovered something wild about this. In our bustling cities, methane gas from cars and factories is changing how plants grow, making it harder for small songbirds to find food. These birds, called passerines, are now fighting harder than ever to protect their territories. When methane levels rise, it messes with plants' ability to photosynthesize properly, leading to fewer seeds and insects for birds to eat. Recent studies show these clever birds have adapted by becoming more territorial, fiercely defending areas with the best remaining food sources. They're singing louder, displaying more aggressive behaviors, and even expanding their territory sizes to ensure survival. It's a perfect example of how urban pollution creates a domino effect through entire ecosystems. Want to know what other ways city life is changing wildlife? Drop a comment below with your city's wildlife observations.